Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Runway AI. To get started, visit runwayml.com and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, navigate to the Generative Session section from your dashboard. Here you can start a new project by selecting the text or image to video tool. Enter a detailed description of the video you want to create in the prompt box. For example, you might type a serene mountain landscape at sunrise with misty valleys and pine trees. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI can interpret your vision. If desired, you can also upload an image to serve as a reference for the video generation. After setting your prompt, customize your video by adjusting parameters such as aspect ratio and aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Generate to create a preview of your video. If the result isn't exactly what you envisioned, you can refine your prompt or tweak the settings and generate again until you're satisfied. Finally, when you're happy with your creation, download the video. And that's it. You've successfully created a unique video using Runway AI, all without any prior design experience. Thanks for watching.